right, Lucy, I'll answer that.
Morning, madam.
Not today, thank you.
Inspector Craddock, County CID, madam.
Oh, I am so sorry. Do come in, Inspector. I've just been going through all the papers again for the last 2 days, and still not a word about the murder. I suppose the police asked the press to say nothing for the moment. Do sit down, won't you? Lull the murderer into a false sense of security, then pounce, eh?
Oh!
What's that?
Oh.
Oh, how stupid of me. Yeah. Yes, I am so sorry. Lucy, you will have some tea, won't you?
Oh,
some tea for the inspector, dear, please.
Yes.
Well, now, have you got him?
Well, that is, we have come to the conclusion that what you saw on the train was, well, a man and a woman.
Yes, as I said.
I mean, perhaps they were honeymooners.
Inspector, I may be what is termed a spinster, but I do know the difference between horseplay and murder.
Of course, madam, Miss Marple, but the fact remains that there's been a thorough search of every train, and no hospital has treated any woman such as you describe.
She was blonde and had on a coat with a pale fur collar.
And no such woman has been seen getting on or off a train either alone or with anybody else.
But of course not. She was dead.
Further, a complete search has been made of every inch of the tracks for the whole length of the line. Negative.
Oh. So you don't believe me?
I didn't mean to imply that.
You certainly did.
Not at all.
What then?
I assure you, Miss Marple, that a woman cannot be murdered on a busy train a few minutes before a station without our finding out about it.
I'm quite sure you mean well, Inspector. But if you imagine that I am going to sit back and let everybody regard me as a dotty old maid, you are very much mistaken. Good day.